There are many products available to choose safety glasses, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best safety glasses from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. No Cry Safety Goggles. Thanks to a soft, pliable seal and adjustable headband, these no-cry goggles are comfortable enough to wear all day. Their goggle style, wide-angle, single-piece lens allows for a ton of coverage, as opposed to glasses that have a divider in the middle. They're also spacious enough to wear over glasses, protecting expensive prescription lenses, and your eyes, from chemical splashes and flying debris. These lenses feature an anti-fog and anti-scratch coating, and they claim to resist impacts of up to 260 miles per hour. If you're looking for a snug fit that doesn't sacrifice comfort, these are a great option. Number 2. No Cry Anti-Fog Safety Glasses. These no-cry glasses fit over rectangular, square, and round prescription eyeglasses, so there's no need to sacrifice safety for improved accuracy. The adjustable and extendable arms ensure a secure fit and feature soft rubber padding to reduce pressure around the ears and increase overall comfort. Wraparound shields protect from both front and side impacts, and the fog and scratch-resistant lenses increase clarity. These glasses are available in 3 different frame colors and are also covered by a lifetime guarantee. Number 3. No Cry Safety Glasses. Safety glasses with adjustable frames are useful when you have to buy eye protection for a group and want to ensure a good fit for everyone. The length-adjustable temples also come in handy when you're wearing a hat. These glasses are available in a range of frame and lens color options, and their minimal design allows you to quickly remove and put them back on when you take a break. Unlike goggles or bulkier glasses, these are a great, all-around option to have around the house. No Cry backs them up with a limited lifetime guarantee if any issues arise. Number 4. Klein Tools 60538 Gasket Safety Glasses. These glasses have the full coverage protection typically only found in bulky, one-piece goggles, but at a fraction of the size. A foam gasket surrounds each lens, ensuring an especially comfortable fit when combined with the adjustable nylon strap. The lenses themselves are scratch-resistant, and their light tinted color reduces glare. An additional anti-fog coating increases visibility even more. The gasket and adjustable strap are removable, and easy to replace down the road. I've always been a big fan of Klein Tools products and stand by their commitment to quality construction and professional application. Number 5. DeWalt DPG 82-11C Dual Mold Safety Goggle. I've been using this exact model for years, and I have purchased them multiple times because of their comfortable fit and large, clear face mask. The elastic strap adjusts simply to any head size, and small ventilation channels keep the lens from fogging up. The soft rubber gasket is both comfortable on your face and effective at keeping out fine dust and paint spray that standard glasses aren't able to handle. The wide lens also offers a ton of visibility, whether you're doing yard work or using a circular saw. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.